thing right back, one episode after the other. It was so engaging and well produced, bro. I have to give the man and them props for what them create. But that Sean Diddy Combs reckoning was number 1 for a reason. Like after a few weeks until something else got picked out at number 1 place. So we're not talking about that.
Not good for Diddy. Although obviously this is not going to do anything as far as his case and all of that. But man, did it paint a very real picture of a psycho. Literally,
American as it
a
gets.
psycho. Diddy and his team did send cease and desist for the documentary, but I don't think Netflix did anything that was completely illegal or anything like that. I'm not, or as far as how they obtained the footage. Like
50 literally buy off the whole footage from the camera guy, but did he have a walk around and follow him everywhere and go? All because they never want to pay the man, so by right it's illegal how him get the documentary footage in the first place. So the season six, this is what they put out. No make no sense. It don't make no sense.
50 Cent, they did do a little interview where they kind of talked about it, but didn't really say, how they got the footage.
We respond to people who say that it's more about the disdain that you have for Sean Combs than it is for giving the victims a platform.
What they consider a pre-existing beef, right, for 20 years, right, is me being uncomfortable with him suggesting that these